Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to protect Excel sheet with password to make it read only. So let's start this in my Excel file. So just go to the file tab and click on the info option. In protect workbook, click on this drop down arrow and select the protect current sheet option. And here you see the one dialog box is open, protect sheet. Simply enter the password those you want to set to protect the sheet and click on OK and re-enter the same password to protect. Just click on OK and that's it. Your sheet is protected now. Just close this Excel file and save this Excel file. Okay, save these changes and again I open the same Excel file. Just double click on it and open here Excel file. As you can see here at the top, the Excel file name doesn't show the read-only status. However, you still can't edit this Excel sheet because it's password protected. Okay, so suppose I'm going to edit something here. You can see the error is showing the Microsoft Excel. The cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change unprotect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. Okay, so you need to enter the password. So now you can only view this file. You won't be able to edit any content in this Excel file. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.